In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on the Dropbox app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's jump straight into the video. So if I go ahead and open up my Dropbox app, and if I scroll around, you can see what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and a bit easier to read, what we can do is head back and then open up our settings app on our mobile phone. From here, scroll down and look for display. Click onto display, and once again scroll down and click on font size and style. And now at the bottom of the page here, you'll notice a slider under font size. So if I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size, and likewise if I move this slider to the left, it's going to decrease it. So I suggest leaving it to the right hand side of the page here, and then from here simply go back to Dropbox, and you can see the size has been increased by that amount. So yeah, go have a play around with that slider and choose where you want it to set it at, and then come back to Dropbox so then you can read the text a bit easier.